Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to report a seller on eBay. Now let's dive in. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, go to the item page of the seller you want to report. For example, I want to report for this item. Tap on this item. Now scroll down and over here you can see a seller. Tap on it and this will open the seller profile. Tap on contact seller over here. Now tap on the username of the seller. Now tap on three dot on top right corner and over here you can see an option for help and report. Tap on it and you can see several options over here. One is how can we help you. This section will take you to the help and contact. Second is report content. If you find any content that may not comply with the policies applicable, so we have to use this option to report a seller on eBay. Now tap on submit report. You will be asked what you would like to report. Tap on drop down and here's an option for product or listing. Tap on it. Now fill all the information about the product of the seller that you want to report. Like here's a product and listing. Second, you have to provide the member's ID associated with the content, that means the seller account, and the item number related to the content. And here you have to choose reason for the report. Tap on drop down. You can see three options over here: problem in the listing, intellectual property, or infringement, or the items not allowed. Tap on the region and provide all the additional details. After filling all of this, check this section to confirm that to the best of my knowledge the information provided is accurate and complete. After you check it, tap on submit the report. I'm not going to submit the report, so this is overall processed, and that's how you can report a seller on eBay. If this video made your day a little bit easier, then forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.